Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to unbox a new bag from Louis Vuitton. And this was a gift from my husband on my birthday. So it's a small bag from Louis Vuitton. And it is still sealed, or it still has the ribbon from the Louis Vuitton. I didn't open it yet. So my birthday was last week, and I will just open now the gift. So like this, it is in the box, and it's inside the dust bag from Louis Vuitton, and we will open it, and it is in monogram, so the size of the bag is small, so it can here. So this bag has came with two straps. There is a leather strap that is adjustable. You can adjust it like this. You see, you can lock it in this 1 year, and if you want to make it longer, it will be, you will just unlock at the other side also, and then you will pull on the both side here also the same, and voila, now it's longer. It's a shoulder strap, and the other strap is a chain that has a name of, that is engraved of LV here, and both sides. And the bag is inside is like this. So there is the for the cards here, and there is a little packet with a zipper, and you can open it here, and you can put something very important or some cards. And I think all the essentials when you go out, if you are a person who like a small bag. Okay, so now we will try to put the, I'm going to try to put the chain on both sides. There we go. You can wear like this when you go out in the night or go dinner, and it's very it suits well with all types of outfit. Maybe you can wear casual, or maybe you can wear different outfits will go with this bag. And also, if you try with the leather one, I'm going to show you. So now we have this one. So if you're wearing jeans or shorts, you can wear this way. Or also you can adjust it and put it smaller, or like only here, this way. But if you want to do this just this way, you have to lock it so that it will not slip back to the higher side. So you just have to do is to put it in here, both sides, and you will lock it and other side, and you wear it like this. That will be all for today, and thank you for watching. See you in my next vlog. Bye bye.